I spotted a street sign going back to my last video, but I didn't notice it till I rewatched the footage. District and touchdown. I can't see if that's a DR for drive. But there you go, you got a couple of unofficial streets inside the complex here. Another gorgeous evening at SoFi Stadium. Yeah, they're back to firing up the Oculus and blasting out some different bright colors, casting up onto the ceiling. You can see some of these other directional lights that are on.
Yeah, that needs to be trimmed. Right.
And I see these objects down here. Those are the next set of SoFi Stadium signage to go up, which I believe is going to be on the roof and not up here. It looks bigger than what would fit. That's my guess. I think they're going to have a second set of SoFi Stadium signage on the roof. So it's sitting here staged for now. We'll see what happens. I'm not going to guarantee it, but I have a feeling this is going to be roof signage. So we should find out in the next couple of days, I would imagine. And just the scale of that signage on the ground, I'm trying to envision it being up here. I don't think that's going to work. I think it's going to be over here to the north. See that decomposed granite there in between one of the driveways?